Yes, this was the first experience.
This is my first time doing this cupping, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, this was the very first time I have been through this experience. Recently, I was doing a lot of homework regarding hijama, reading Wikipedia. Recently, hijama was in news due to their Rio Olympics and how one of the swimmers got benefited of this sunnah. So this really attracted me, and thanks to IPH, they have taken a great initiative to revive this sunnah, and so I'm feeling really blessed, and it's a experience of a lifetime.
Alhamdulillah, it's very good experience. And I started doing hijama when I came to know about this as a sunnah.
Good, pretty good.
The experience was pretty good, alhamdulillah. I thought probably it might be painful and all, but it was not that painful, alhamdulillah. It's just like somebody kind of pinching you or something like that. So finally, it was a good experience, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, initially I had butterflies in my stomach. But as the entire process or activity progressed, I feel a lot relaxed. I basically work in IT, so we encounter a lot of problems related to spine and back pain. So I think this could be the exact prescription what the doctor ordered, and I got it at the right point in time. So Alhamdulillah, I've ventured on this journey, unending journey, and I look forward to reap benefits from this sunnah.
Surely, I'm planning out for next 6 months.
Well, actually, I'm from Saudi, right? I'm his younger brother. Alhamdulillah, when I was over here, he kind of suggested me that there's this hijama camp going on. Why don't you join us? I said, okay, alhamdulillah, and definitely, we are trying. It's an effort, mashallah, by you guys that you are trying to revive a sunnah. So, alhamdulillah, I would love to be a part of it, alhamdulillah.
I mean, all the young people should try to learn. It's not that difficult thing. And they can start doing on their own, inshallah. Of course, with the consent of a doctor.
Well, alhamdulillah, I'm very much impressed, mashallah, tabarakallah, that alhamdulillah, you have taken the initiative, alhamdulillah. And, we should be doing these kind of things, and we should be encouraging, other brethren and all to, kind of follow this thing, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, I came to know regarding this campaign via the banners outside the IPH center.
Okay.
I'm very fortunate to stay in the vicinity of IPH. I started my research regarding the hijama and its benefits, so what exactly it is, and it was quite surprising. I mean, this was the most underrated thing till this date. So I was looking forward for this particular activity, and I'm very happy to be part of this campaign, and I'd like to compliment IPH, the entire team, especially Brother Inayat.